Will start by 7. We will start by 7:30 p.m. So the time is over. We can wait for 2 minutes just to check how many are connecting. So it's a recorder session. So hope you everyone can see the chart now.
Yes, we can.
Okay, this is a chart of Nifty. It's not it's a chart called market profile chart. Some of them aware about this same chart. This is a method of market profile chart. So I just show you are just watching the market profile charts of Nifty. So mainly I'm using market profile chart for the last 2016 to 17. So just trying to make sure that this is very good for trading than candlestick pattern. So today's our agenda is discussing the indices in coming week with respect to the market profile charts. Hope you clear the agenda. You can ask the doubts about the which one the same time when I am speaking. So we can clarify it in the same time. So we can start it now. Others join. We can start it. So couple of days back, you can the actually Nifty was running very high from which one the May till June end. Sorry, July end. When you look at the July end, we touched 19,900 above, almost 20,000. In 27, 20th July, we almost touched 19,980 level. From that level, we just started going down, but that down was not convincing down because mostly option writers made money in these days because if you look at the chart, the very next day there is a range. So the market was in a consolidated downward move. It's called consolidated down move. Whether premium was eaten both sides, whether it is call or put, nobody made money. Very less people made money, and even writers made money. Some days writers also killed. Both side market moved and killed it. So there was a good range happened till 90,600 range. Then the range is shifted from 19,700 to 19,500, 450 level. Then Nifty again, look at the chart. Nifty again started coming down, and the range now shifted from the shifting of range started from 19,800 to 600 level, 600 to 400 level. Now the range for the last 3 or 4 days, if you look at, we are just below 19,500 to 19,275, that level. So the range is getting shifted very slowly to irritate the option buyers, and usually the market is coming down. When you look at the order flow chart, order flow means Nifty's X-ray of a candle, which called on order flow. If you look at the order flow chart, you can see this is the order flow chart of last Friday. You look at the order flow chart, we given a gap down. In fact, we almost closed near the low, not the low, but almost near the low. But look at the total sellers, only 449 lots, which means that only local played in the gap down and no bigger parties into the market. And if you see this candle was given by Reliance. You heard about the Reliance news. Jio Financial Services is listing on tomorrow. So this candle made which one? Nifty gone up to the almost the gap zone level, and they reversed it. So for me tomorrow, so the analysis of the Nifty was in a quite range. for a couple of weeks. So Nifty yet to give a move, and where their move is coming, that we will discuss. So as per the order flow chart, I'm not expecting any gap down tomorrow, any big gap down, unless there is a big issue with the which one, the US or any other country. There has some issues coming in tomorrow morning, then that can be happen. But as per the participants whom done trades on Friday, I'm not expecting any gap down. We may open near yesterday's close range. So the opening can be in between 19,291 to 19,330, 340 level. From that level, we need to watch whether sellers are coming. So going forward, it is, you remember that the market Nifty rallied from 18,800 to 19,900. So almost 1,100 point has rallied, and there has been some gaps which Nifty given, which is not yet closed. They are called runaway gaps. In the candlestick pattern, we used to call it a runaway gap. So if tomorrow we are going below 19,275, very, very important. If we are going below 19,275 in tomorrow, higher probability to touch 19,192. First level, which is a virgin POC. We call it as a POC, point of control. A POC which is formed untouched, it is called a POC, virgin POC, VPOC. So the market is, when as per the market profile charts, when market coming down or going up, if it is in a charted territory, it will go to the previous demand zone. So as per the market profile chart, the previous demand zone, the Nifty at the range of 19,183. So if market is going below 19,275 tomorrow, it will go to find a demand near 19,192. First thing, if that area is not supported, then only we may go to the level of 18,967. Below 19,190 level, there is no support. 18,968. So if you are a Nifty trader, you must focus that 19,275, the Friday low, has to support. If that is not supported in a close basis, your target will be 19,192, and if that 19,192 not supported, then you may look for the target of 18,968 level. As per the order flow, we are having some serious buying in that area, like single prints. So as per our chart, we may take support that level and again look for a retracement level towards the upper level. So any doubt on Nifty, you can ask.
So this Nifty chart.
Can you be audible? Sound is very less.
Okay, sir, this Nifty chart, is it spot or you're talking about the future chart?
I'm not hearing the voice very properly. Can you make it so loud?
Nifty chart, is it spot chart
or else you can ask me in the chat. Can you make me in the chat?
Guptan sir basically is asking you that whether these prices are spot prices or future prices.
No. Because as per the chart, nobody trades in future. Sorry, spot. I always speaks about future only, because future is a demand area. Think about where the actual trade is happened in future, not in spot. So
okay,
we always speaks about future in the market profile charts. Clear?
Yeah, clear. Understood.
So coming to the because in the why we are using order flow in the market profit charts now, it's a supportive indices. We need to know whether there is a demand or a supply coming. Look at the previous Friday order flow charts. After the initial gap down, huge volume. Then there is no volume. Look at the volume. For a half an hour candle, at least 10,000 to 15,000 is the average lot size to be traded. Whether total order. Look at after the first half an hour, there is not that much volume, which means that this is how we avoid trades in unnecessary trades to avoid. The order flow will help you to avoid unnecessary trades, whether you want to make more full money or a half money, or if you want to put full lot or a half lot, just to make sure that we are not doing any wrong trades. So as because many people said about that we tomorrow Monday will be a gap down. It can gap down, but as per the order flow current, I'm not expecting any gap down tomorrow. If
Sir,
it,
sir, what are the supply zones for Nifty?
for
You
example,
shared the
if you look at
demands.
the supply zone now, the supply zone is almost here. You look at here, 19,420 is now a supply zone. And
Okay.
above that level, the next level, if you look at for that, you can look at this level. 19,420 above, there is a supply zone of 19,570. Look, the 11th August, that triggered another selling downward. So that supply zone, 19,575. And 425, 575 is the supply zone. And above that, there will be a good supply zone of this one. You can see this. Look at the thick red area, 19,630. That also a supply zone. So the upper supply zone is around first of 19,425, then above 575, and then above 630. These are the three supply zones, major supply zones.
Okay. Okay.
Clear?
So one more question: from where can I see such charts? Because on normal platforms we cannot see order flow,
Yeah,
neither
because
market flow.
currently, for example, this platform, this order flow I am using for Russian software. They are called Russian guy. So I need almost we are paying good amount for this one. That's why we started a mentorship program for 1,000 rupees monthly for you to watch in a market type. 1,299 rupees per monthly. You can access the order flow in the market type. We will provide you the order flow WebEx. That you can see it.
Got it. Understood.
Okay. So if there was a trend, you have to notice that whenever there is a gap up or gap down happening on a particular day with a good volume, you need to figure out that the move. Many people will say that. In fact, I was also said the same thing about a couple of years back that I missed this gap. I missed the gap down. So if you miss, it is possible that everybody miss a gap. But if you miss a gap, don't take immediate position in a gap down option. Clear? If you take a PE here, near or there, will you able to be profitable in there throughout the day? No. The answer is that you have to watch the market. A simple candlestick pattern, I will tell you. If you see a gap up or a gap down, you need to watch the gap zone. The first 1 hour high or low is protected. Clear? One. And if first 1 hour high or low is protected, then there is no movement is happening. If the movement will happen only after 12:45 to 1:30 these two periods. So if the movement is happening same side of the gap area and we are going below that area, then we may say that the gap players are there. But to look at the gap on Friday, we gap down, we made a low near 19,275 to 79. After we never gone below that level. So first 1 hour low is protected till 1 hour, 2 hour, and almost 3 hour. So we need to watch 19,276 protecting, and we need a close of 30 minutes candle below that or above that high. Then we can take position. Here also we not able to close below 19,275. So whenever you see this kind of a pattern, there will be an immediate intraday pattern called reversible open pattern. It is very high in the market profile chart, and it will almost give you 50 to 60 points in Nifty minimum. So we can discuss the patterns trades in coming webinar. So this is the video just for to announce. Clear? Hope you clear it. Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, we can hear you.
So we can go for the Bank Nifty charts. So for example, the Bank Nifty, if you look at the Bank Nifty charts, the previous demand zone, which is 43,789, is giving a damn good support in Bank Nifty. And even though Nifty was in minus in the Friday, the Bank Nifty was in plus. I think you noticed, many of noticed that. So the Bank Nifty, there is a lot of demand zone near this 43 to 43,000. That 1,000 point having a many demand zone. The first demand zone is 43,789. If this demand zone is supported, the Bank Nifty will go till not supported 626. And if 626 not supported, Bank Nifty can go to another 500 point can come down, which is near 43,188. And if that 43,188 not supported only, then there is no demand zone and the Bank Nifty can fall till 42,400. So hope you remember, Bank Nifty is a beast chart. It's a fast moving chart. So if you are seeing not expecting a support near 43,200 area, there will be a almost 800 point gap down downward can happen. Some days you will wonder that when market Bank Nifty moving or up or down, 500 or 600 point will come in 10 to 15 minutes. So that kind of a trade can happen if 43,188 is not supported. Clear? And in Bank Nifty in upside there is a lot of supply. First supply, you have to figure it. This gray line, if you are watching, 44,291. First supply zone. And above that, 44,550. Above, again there is a supply, 44,782. So 44,200 to 800, there has been a huge supply zone. And if you are a positional player, it's wise to take a positional call only above 44,840 level. So any doubt on the Bank Nifty?
No.
So it's a Bank Nifty. You can look for Nifty for a Bank Nifty fallen from almost 46,500. You'll remember 46,500. Almost from 46,500. This chart. Look at the height. This 46,500. There has been you see a cyan, almost greenish color. There has been a good selling happened is 46,300 level. So this from almost Bank Nifty down 2,500 to 3,000 point. Almost 2,500 point down. Bank Nifty did from high, but Nifty don't. So Nifty is higher chance to make a move from coming week. That is the expectation I am having. So I'm having a good position in a contra way in order to utilize that. So and coming to the Bank Nifty order flow chart.
Sorry, can you repeat it back? I missed it maybe because of network.
For the because I am expecting a move in the Nifty than Bank Nifty. Here, the Bank Nifty will do some rotational move, but I am expecting Nifty more down in ways of percentage in coming days. If the down move is there, Nifty will do more damage. Clear?
Got it.
Why? Because now Bank Nifty down from 46,500 to 43,800. 2,800 point is down. Clear? Nifty merely, if you speaking 500 points, 500 to 600 points. Clear? So Nifty has some more steam to left if a down move is there. And if the up move is there, the Bank Nifty will participate more. So think that ways. Okay?
Yeah, got it.
And the order flow charts of the Bank Nifty, if you look at the Bank Nifty, there has been a supply at the morning. We almost look at the Bank Nifty. This is the first half an hour candle. Whether 43,780 comes, be some zeros there. Look at the zeros. Zeros means fresh demand is coming. And we taken support from that level. Immediately taken support level. But you remember, look at the POC. You see the POC? This one. You see it?
Yes.
This is the that yellow boxed area. The POC of 44,037. We almost seen same selling on here also. Clear? So tomorrow we need to watch 44,035 for 44,550 area. So this 50 point is very, very important for coming day. Tomorrow, as per the order flow charts, you look at, we will see Bank Nifty opening around this 150 point area. Not like Nifty, I'm not expecting any gap up or a gap down. Will be a flat day opening tomorrow. That will decide. But there is a move is coming. Actually, the last 2 weeks was a balanced move week. So we didn't expect any big move. But coming week, when a balance is there, there will be an imbalance. Imbalance means a move is there. So expecting a move in coming week. That is as per the market profile chart, we are expecting a good week in coming. And if you look at the Bank Nifty supply, I will show you supply area. You see this area, 44, this candle of, see, are you seeing this candle? 17th.
Yes, Guptan sir, we can see.
This one is a big supply area, 44,224. Then
so market profiling basically just shares us that whether a move is gonna come or not, but
yeah,
direction
why
is
is it gonna market profile will give show, for example, if you look at the Bank Nifty market profile chart, you see this one. This is the market profile chart. I am splitting it for you. We almost open here. Look at the opening. O means open. So we almost open here and we gone to this level 43,789. Then we moved up. And as per the market profile chart, the next level will be watch only below this level. So if you are a market profile trader, you need to focus better trade opportunity, not every trade opportunity. In a candlestick, we will get a fake breakout, fake breakdown. You see that many trades we will get it. If you are a market profile chart users, because I haven't taken any PE. I have taken one PE for this Nifty on Friday. Naked PE, that is 19,300. Which I exceeded at 200 rupees loss per lot. Why? Because market has not giving any supply at the lower level. If there is no supply, why we need to keep the position? So if you are a market profile trader in the Bank Nifty, the next level of taking PE only below 43,789. Otherwise, you look for a higher level. Here, whether the previous supply is there.
I got your point. So that's what I was asking. Market profile will tell you whether the move is gonna come or not.
Yeah,
but
of course.
It will not tell you which direction, right?
Yeah, no. For example, some days, because if you look at, these are 3 days. If you look at the market profile chart, these 3 days I am merging it. Why? Because because we call a range profile. In a candlestick pattern, we will call a range profile. But in a market profile chart, we will call a merged profile. Okay, I merged these 3 days. So 3 days in a range. Hope you see that 3 days in a range.
Yeah.
So the high is there 44,223 and we have a low. Clear? 45,783. So the market is almost 500 points up and down range. And what is the POC there? POC of this range is very, very important, which is at 43,988. So if tomorrow market is opening above this 43,988 and taking a close above 44,100 level, then we can say that tomorrow there will be a trending upward move and which direct for a target of 44,550. Clear?
Got it. Understood.
This is why the importance of market profile. It will give you next level whether you have to watch it or not. And there will be a target for you. So you can take position on based on target.
So
here-
basically on a trending day, you can make a larger sum of profit.
yes, of course, you can take that point to be in a cash, and you can look, and your order flow and the market profile give you the direction whether you are, which target is you're pointing and which downward stop loss for you. And if you are taking a position, if you are there now, your stop loss must be this level 43,903. Clear? With
Yes, sir,
the
clear.
merged profile value area low, or else we can keep this as a position. If you are a which one large lot layer, you can keep it in a very safe stop loss. The market profile give you an idea of the market is going to break or make a move. For example, if the market tomorrow also opening in this similar area, will you take a position? If you are an option seller, you can write 44,300 call and 43,700 PE. You can write these things and you can enjoy the premium meeting. But if you are an option buyer, you don't take any trade on this. You will wait for a breakdown, clear, or a breakup.
Got it.
Market
Understood.
profile gives you a better thing that you will reduce your trades. You will participate majority of trades, good trades. So these are the three things you need to focus. And FinNifty, mostly if you are a FinNifty player, FinNifty lock or FinNifty is in a downward trend, and there is a big buy happened at 19,461 level. If that buy is there supporting, then FinNifty will move up. If below 19,461, the FinNifty will go to 19,375 level. But I don't trade in FinNifty. I will watch it FinNifty. Why? Because now FinNifty is having good volume. Here. If you have any other doubts, you can ask.
Got it clear, sir.
Is this market profile for positional view, or can we use this market profile to take intraday positions?
Of course, you can take it intraday position. For example, there is if you look at the market profile chart, there is an important rule in the market profile chart. First 1 hour high or low is very, very important. If it is break up or break down and not giving half IB, for example, I will explain to you. If Nifty is high is 19,400, Nifty's low is 19,300. So what is the range? 100-point range. Clear?
Okay.
If market goes above 19,400, if market moves above IB high, that is initial balance high, there is a higher chance of giving at least half IB target, which is 100 point is the range. So if you divide by 2, the 50 point is the range which at least need to give if market breaks 19,400 high. So the target to be 19,450 level. Clear? If market break up and just gone above 19,420 level and reversing it and trading majority of time below 19,400 level, then there is a target called market profile will, as per the intraday level, this market can go to the level of low, which is called which is the level of 19,300. For example, I will show you the Nifty chart. Look at the Nifty. I'm splitting it for you. We opened here 19,330. We had a high of 339. We had a 1 hour low of 9,277. In the D period, which is 10:45 to 11:45 time, we just opened below this level. Are you seeing?
Yes.
But we couldn't able to sustain and we couldn't able to give the target of downward. And what happened? The market profile, as I said now in a market profile, that it will reverse and it will go to the high of the level. And in the F period, we look at here, we almost made near high of 337. Clear?
But we are analyzing this in 30 minutes time frame. How do we take trades based
No,
on
no,
this.
because you can analyze in the 30 minutes time frame, but you have to take a position. For example, if it is intraday player 19,339, 19,275. What is a IB range is 65 points. So barely you
Yes.
calculate 60 points. So half
Okay.
of that point is 30 points. If
Okay.
a period high is broken, you